Just got home. They call me OD, cause I got AD, HD, Stevia than Lacey, wavier than wave speed, been dash like Stacy, been found to that shit like Macy's, crazy, they can never face me, if you try then you lied, I'ma be alright, I took to the turn it, work hard then I earn it, you listen and learn it, you light it and burn it, they fighting, they corny, they boring, they snoring, shoot that I'm scoring, small then I'm scoring, they shaking and quaking, cookies easy baking, like shoveling and raking, they double got statements, fall out of Jason, you piggy like bacon, it's dizzy real quick, you look like the basement. Do you want me? Wanna love me like that? Like that? Do you want me? Wanna want me like that? Like that? Do you want me? Wanna love me like that? Like that? Do you want me? Wanna want me like that? Like that? Love me like that. I wanna love you so like that. Wanna love me like that. Do you wanna love me like that? Wanna love me like that. I wanna love you so like that. Wanna, yeah, like that. It'd be so bad, things be moving so fast. Just got home. My bad, y'all. My bad. But I'm home and I wanted to show you guys what I got from the store today. Yeah. First thing first, I had went to Walmart, got me a Lego. What I got from IKEA is just one thing, but I got two. And that's the only thing that I got. Like these cups right here. People have been talking about them on TikTok, and I've been wanting like a sturdy, like short, round cup for my tea, because I'm a tea drinker. We're not on that level of coffee yet. Coffee makes me sleepy, but I've wanted these cups for so long, and they're so affordable too. But everywhere that I just kept looking around for these type of cups, and everywhere is just so expensive. Like a cup like this will probably cost more than $10 somewhere else, but for IKEA it was extremely affordable. With tax it was around like $2, and if I had my own place I would have gotten more, but I think 2 is fine. Actually 1 was enough, but I was like, let me just get 2. And these are so cute, and I can't wait to do my chai and my tea, or just any iced tea. These are so cute, and that's the only thing that I got from IKEA. Aquarius made this.
White diamonds, 20 she rollin'. She sick, got the stomach in her comics. What school you went to? God in a Compton. Westchester, King, True, Compton. Yo, put that dog in me, that's on top. All my kids are sucking. Have you ever took a fade and ran? Put them back to back. Oh, you haven't, then shut the fuck up and keep it rap. In front of land, don't say you hate LA when you don't travel past the 10. Am I tripping? Yes, I am. Meditate over some money. I see Franklin, I find man. In front of land, don't say you hate LA, but live in LA and pretend. My neck on Tarantino, Alejandro Friday. Just know you took the senior part if you stand by me, stupid.
So fly in this 50 on me, don't die trying it. I'm up and down when I slide in this.
Don't tell me I have to do this twice.
No and no. No, you're not.
Oh, thank God.
You are a tailor. It's who you are.
On to the next side. This is what I got so far. I think it took me about an hour. The last time I built Legos, I was a child, and that was a long time ago, but it's coming along. This is the pot where, you know, the flowers will go, and as you can see, this is the pot. You have to like take your time and put every single piece. This step took me at least 10 minutes to figure out, because I was like, okay, not 10 minutes, I'm over exaggerating, but putting these brown little pieces with this green piece, and then I had to put a long piece right through it. That took me a minute to figure out. I lost so many brain cells, but she's so cute. We'll see what we'll name her after I'm done.
And I show you how to start. Play it like it's a guitar. I first see got me doing the most. Don't be no talking, babe. See about your song. Damn. I'm trying to show you something nasty. Don't put it past me. Going that ass in the backseat. Don't need no evidence.
Just made it to my hotel. I don't know if you can tell, I'm fried. I'm tired. I've been so tired lately, and my left eye keep twitching non-stop. So I'm just gonna get situated, probably take a shower, and then eat. I'm gonna edit my video that was supposed to be posted last week, but I didn't get a chance to. So but by the time you watch this vlog, it should be up. So I'm gonna edit that and a few things, and I'll pick you guys back up later after my shower, maybe. Who knows? So this is what I'm wearing. Jeans from Abercrombie, t-shirt Old Navy, and yeah, belt from H&M. No, belt from Mango. But yeah, that's what I'm wearing. Gonna go meet up my cousin to create the content that we're supposed to create.
Left no room to guarantee, so I fantasize. Replay the moment in my head. want me to bend. I wanna see you on tonight. Do you feel the way? Patient to the fire. I wanna see you on I wanna see you on
Staring in space, I'm on my bed, yeah. Making me feeling some type of way, yeah. It's only 2, are you awake? There's a lot I gotta say. I got it on replay, and I saw your face. Even if you know my name, I know that won't be it for you, babe.